Number 5, we got the Smok Slim. So this one's pretty small. It's the Smok Slim.
It's slim.
Makes sense. So this is coming in at number 5. Nate, why is it here on the list?
Oh, because like you don't have a huge selection at under $25, so we gotta narrow it down a little bit. So would not make our best vapes. No, would not. But because it's under 25, it's a good price, and it's not shit. So.
No, it's actually it's very small. So obviously battery life isn't very good. Small pod. So. It's not an all-day vape,
Pretty much all the problems we had with the Mini Fit, except it actually hits. It works.
Exactly. This is like a much better version of the Mini Fit.
Boom! Next! We got Fidget Spinner! What is it called? It's a roller!
Why is it
number 4? Because of the spinner.
Yeah, this thing's a gimmick through and through. I mean, it's cool, I guess. It's very unique, and it feels nice.
Yeah, I think the spinner takes away from it, honestly. That's what moves it down. But, at the end of the day, these next 3 devices have better hits.
Exactly. So,
but, maybe it would have been better if they spent more time actually making a vape and not a fidget spinners.
Yeah, exactly. But it makes the list of best vapes, I guess, because it's super duper unique.
Yeah, very unique, very cool, and in my opinion, it has a little better hit than the Slim. So
exactly. It's not a killer hit. It's very airy. Flavor's pretty okay, but again, small battery, 350 milliamp hours. So, number 4.
Number 4.
3.
Smoet S8.
It's pretty nice. I mean, you guys know the Smoet. We've talked about it.
You guys know the Smoet. It's been around. It's part of the fucking Vape Boys family.
And I think it's been on this list pretty much every time we've done it.
I believe it should have been.
It should always be, yeah. Because, the drop style vapes are classic. And
very classic.
If you want one that's reliable and that's going to last, the Smoet S8 is definitely for you.
The best drop style one there is.
It's on the list. You know what?
List. Amazing hit, great flavor. That's what puts it.
Yep. So send it.
Numero 2.
You guys see this one coming. Obviously, we've been talking about it a whole bunch on this channel recently. The Smok X-Force.
X-Force.
A lot of you guys in the comments said it's super cheap because it's a piece of shit. Companies are trying to get rid of it. You're wrong, dude.
You're wrong.
It's great.
It's built with cheap things.
Exactly.
So it's not durable. But there's no problem with it. There's no issue with it.
No, exactly. And we paid for this. We did not get sponsored by this. We just got it.
We tell you at the beginning of the video if we were given.
Exactly. We just straight up like this because we love the Voodoo Panda style vapes. And if this weren't around, the Voodoo Panda would be in the number 2 spot. Obviously.
This thing takes the cake for that. The fucking huge battery, giant pod.
It's awesome. I mean it's an all-day hitting device. Yeah. Clouds are big, rips are huge, and it's great. And it's only $14.95.
Yeah.
So
exactly, super cheap. And you know what the drawback to this device is? Is that it's so big that it's not ultra portable. Guess what? It's made out of shitty materials. Also not ultra portable. Fucking leave it at home. You won't break it, and you won't have to deal with a big ass device in your pocket all day.
It's perfect. Because it's great. We've talked a lot about it.
Yeah.
You can watch that shit. It's time for number 1. Obviously. This is obvious. If you guys don't know what this
obvious.
is, no, they don't. I don't think they understand how obvious this number 1 choice is. It's. Say it right now.
Think about it. It makes 1 or 2 in our best vapes in general category.
Almost always. Almost
under
always.
$25.
Okay, if you didn't get it, it's the Smok Nord. This thing is freaking great. I mean, obviously, it hits like an Orion, and it's only $24.
Every time we do the best pod video, the Nord is right up there competing with the Orion, either first or second place every time. Every time. And if you look at the price difference where the Orion is at $80 and the Nord is at $24.99, there's not even a question about it.
Long story short, if you don't have this device, get this device.
Yeah.
It's I don't know. If you're living under a rock, it would make sense. But if you're not, I don't understand what you're doing. You got to get this device because it's freaking great.
Yeah.
And again, we bought it. We love it because it's fucking awesome. So you will too, I guess. That's the moral of this video.
That's the moral of the story.
And the rest of the ones on this that we reviewed, the ones that we just reviewed, they're awesome. But they're a good backup kind of vape to have. If you need a primary motherfucking vape,
A Nord
Smock Nord.
will do it for you.
So fucking send it. Links for all these bad boys are down in the description, so check them out. We did the research for you, found the best price. You know how it is.
Make sure you hit that fucking like button and the subscribe button.
That's right. And if you got any questions,
head on over to our website. Linked down below.
that's right.
More likely that we will reply to you from that than
Exactly. You
our
know,
comment
one
section.
business day, you ask a question, we'll get right back to you.
Or if you want to leave a comment, but you don't want us to roast you to the public on a video because now you know that we do those things sometimes, go ahead and go over to the website and do it.
Exactly. So do that, and until next time, peace out.